to the Department of Transport and Supply Chain Management. This video has been developed to assist you in your application process. This is a quick overview of the department's CEP programs. Indicated in blue, Transport and Supply Chain Management Bridging. Indicated in green, the Diploma in Road Transport Management Specialization in Freight or Passengers. Indicated in maroon, the Diploma in Transportation Management, and indicated in purple, the Diploma in Logistics Management. Reasons to study a continuing education program. Type the following link into your internet browser. This will be the page that you need to land on. Go to your desired qualification. The example that I'm going to use is the Diploma in Road Transport Management. Then you click here to apply. I have already completed the application in advance to speed up the process of this video, but you will be able to pause the video at any time. Take note, all fields marked with an asterisk is compulsory fields. Use only capital letters for your token. When you see a magnifying glass, click on it and a list of values will appear. Then select. When there is a calendar button next to an open field, click on it and enter the year, select the month, and lastly, select the date. Complete your biographical details. Please ensure that you have completed the correct contact details. If you do not have an email address, please create your own personalized Gmail account. Click on the Next button. Complete all relevant information. Click on the Next button. Complete your matric details. By subject details, select the school leaving subject. Click on Add Subject button. Repeat the process until all matric subjects have been loaded. Once you can view all your subjects, click on the Next button. Complete your school details. Click on Next button. Because you have used a token in the beginning of the application process, the first three fields should appear automatically. Select only first year next to the period of applying. The rest of the fields will be completed on your behalf. Click on Add Qualification. Once you can view your qualification, click the Next button. Double check that all your application details that you have entered are correct. Click on the Continue button. Create a 5-digit PIN that you will be able to remember. Accept and submit the application. Please select Yes, click on Next, and load your electronic documents, please use PDF format. Please upload both documents, ID and senior certificate. Click on the button Complete Upload. A student number will be allocated to you. This number should always be used with all correspondence to the university. Your application is completed.